Hello mga ka-forever. So, I just wanted to share na may sakit pa rin ako. Onting coughs and colds na lang, but I'm kinda getting better. So, mga ka-forever, I want you to take care of yourselves kasi super uso talaga yung mga sakit ngayon, yung colds. Ayun, so, I just wanted to share wisdom marriage quote kahit hindi pa ako married, pero nagsa-search kasi ako sa Pinterest ng mga wisdom quote. So sabi dito, a great marriage is not when the perfect couple comes together. It is when an imperfect couple learns to enjoy their differences. So based on my understanding here, kahit hindi kayo laging parehas ng mga gustong bagay, as long as you respect each other and tama yung ways nyo ng pakikitungo sa isa't isa, kahit hindi ka minsan approve sa mga ginagawa niya but he enjoys it, then you really have to respect it and accept it because you want to be treated the same way, diba? Na pag meron akong gusto, kahit hindi niya gusto yun, but it makes me happy, then he really needs to respect it also. Ayun mga ka-forever, anong mga thoughts niyo dito tungkol sa quote na to? Please let me know. Salamat mga ka-forever.